And we are live. What's up, guys? All right. I'm still setting up here a little bit. Just want to come through today, talk to you guys about a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And I'm going to do my due diligence here. I'm looking over my stock stuff. So I just figured, since I'm going to be sitting at the computer anyway, everybody left the house to go do their errands and work and everything else. What up, She? What up? What up? So yeah, I just figured I'd come in and kick a little bit of knowledge, bro, and I'm gonna see if I can mix up, or if I can do some comparisons. All right, the stock market and the dating market. Oh, hold on. I gotta fix up my screens here. So if I want to do this, I'm gonna share this, share. There we go. All right, let me know if you guys can hear that music right there. It should be just playing in the background. I think with Chrome, you can play, or you can take the sound that's coming through. So it should be coming through StreamYard, not through my microphone. The music in the background, just some nice mellow beats. These are the beats that my son made for me. Again, as how I usually start. I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on. So the music you hear in the background, these beats were made by my son. I have permission to use them. I don't think he published them on his beat store yet, so I can use them without causing any type of havoc or trouble or copyright infringement and none of that stuff, right? So yeah, I'm just playing them out there, give you guys a little sample of what he's capable of. Let me know if you can hear it. He said it's low. It is, but low. It's low. That's good. All right. Let me see if I can turn up a little bit. Let me take it up to 60% on the VLC, or 63%. Let me know if it gets a little bit better. But all right. So, well, we got that going. I'm going to move. Oh, you know what? I'm stupid. What did I do? Okay. All right, let me stop this screen. And I'm going to reshare just the app. The window. That's what I want. There we go. There. That's better. Okay. So now, no matter what I do with this window over here, if I cover it, for instance, if I move this over here, it should not show up on my screen. All right. My voice is loud now. Is it too loud? Am I too close? Let me see what my gain is looking like. Oh, yeah. My bad. Hold on. Let me move this down a little bit. We'll go down here. How's that? That a little bit better? All right. Here we go. What the hell? Why is my microphone? Something on my computer is balancing out the sound somewhere. And it's funny because I don't have any application or anything like that for. All right. Linux, right? The power of Linux, man. I got things doing things that I didn't even ask for. All right. My microphone is on, but the gain keeps, man, it's weird. The gain keeps jumping up by itself. I wonder if that's because with the music playing, the computer is trying to balance out. Yeah, see, it jumped up by itself. All right, well, we'll look at that later. I ain't got time for that right now. All right, let's get back to the show. All right, if it's too loud, let me know, man, and I'll turn off the music or something. All right, so what I wanted to do, man, is just talk about the dating market and the stock market and some of the similarities that they have, right? So when we're dealing with stocks, stocks are an investment, and if you want to get a profit off of your investment, you got to do your due diligence, right? You got to know what you're investing in. You got to know, where your money's going. You want to know what the company's doing with your money, what value that is going to have for you, right? So the way I look at it is like, you have dividend stocks, right? That's my favorite. That's your long-term investment. That's the wifey material, right? You're going to put money into it and it's going to keep bringing you back value. Okay. That's your wifey material. That's your dividends. Okay. You just like when you meet a chick and she's wifey material, and you invest a little bit at first, right? And you see all of a sudden it's giving you back something, right? So you keep it longer and you keep buying more shares of that same stock, right? Just like a wifey, if you get her and you want to wife her up, you're dating her for a while and she's making your life more pleasant, more peaceful, and she's helping you like while you're out there on your grind doing the things you want to do, right? Making your businesses work, or you're getting a better job, a higher paying job, increasing your income potential and all that. Wifey's keeping the house taken care of, or maybe she's helping you with bills or whatever your relationship is, right? Every relationship is different, but wifey material is the one that keeps bringing value, and that's what your dividend stocks are. Okay, so dividends are wifey. What up, Laro? What's going on, bro? So dividend stocks are wifey material. Okay, those are the long term, right? You keep that for a long time because they keep feeding you, right? They keep giving you back money, increasing your value, right? And they just keep getting better and better and better, right? So the wifey, that's what we're looking for, right? In the dating market, we want the girl that's going to keep giving you better, better, better. All right. Now, there's other stocks out there. All right. We have growth stocks, right? Like your Teslas and your Microsoft, and those go up and down. Man. Those stocks keep going up and down, right? They go up in value and they go down in value, right? And that's like the dating market. Okay. You buy them. When you first get to meet them, you go in low, right? You get that cup of coffee, right? Take them on the coffee date, walking in the park. Not a whole lot of investment, right? But then when they show some potential, when they get that breakout, right? When it's time to dump some real money into that, because you see that it's going up, right? A lot of guys out there would consider that like, okay, she's feeling me, right? She's giving me the signs, right? She's showing me, what is it, choosing signals they call it. Okay. So when they show you those choosing signals, right? Just like in the stock market, when you're looking at your charts and the charts are showing you, hey, this stock is about to break out, you better put your money in now, right? Because it's about to shoot up, just like Bitcoin just shot up this week, right? So everybody went and dumped their money in before it got high. Hopefully you were already in it, right? Just like these dating. Hopefully you already did the coffee dates, okay? And you got the choosing signals. All right, she's already giving you the wink. She's rubbing up against you. She's putting her hands on your legs. She keeps flicking her hair. You know what I'm saying? What do they call it? She got the flutters. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you're talking, you can see her face blushing, right? Because she wants to be around you. She likes you. She's showing you choosing signals. The stock market does the same thing. All right. Before a stock shoots up, okay, if you know how to read the charts, they'll give you some signals in the stock market to let you know it's about to go down. It's about to shoot up. You're about to make some money if you own this stock. Okay, just like those girls will show you, hey, you about to get some if you keep it up, right? Okay, so in the stock market, what normally happens is you put your money in and the stocks go up in value, right? Let me see if I can, where's my charts at? Do I want to do this one? Hold on. Let's see. Oh, I know. I got, okay. Growth stocks. Let's go back here. I'm going to move this screen over here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So, all right, I'm going to stop sharing the music screen, bro. You're taking me back to my middle school and high school days. Hey, Wadner, but believe it or not, bro, I hear 30 and 40-year-old guys talking about choosing signals when it comes to the dating market, right? So for me, okay, just like the stock market, okay, the stocks ain't going to come out and reach out to me. Microsoft ain't going to call me and say, hey, you should come invest in me. No, they don't do that, right? Me as the man, right, as the lion in the dating market, it is on me to go out and get what I want. So if I want to make money in the stock market, I have to do my due diligence. Hold up. Let me get rid of this. There we go. All right. So maybe I'll just let the music play in the background, and maybe you guys can hear it if I. There we go. All right. So, I'm going to stop that one. I'm going to share this one, share screen, and give me this Chrome tab right here. Okay. So, where is she at? Let's start with Quintus. You guys heard me talk about this one before. Let me see if I remove this. Move this over right there. All right. So anyway, so this is what I was talking about right here. If you follow my arrow, okay, follow the arrow down here, right? This down here is when the stock is at a low, right? This is your coffee date right here. Okay? Your coffee date. And then in the stock market, right, there's signs. Okay, the stocks give you signs that they're about to break out. And that's what all these this red, green, and blue line are right here. Okay, so pretty much in the stock market, the way my chart is set up, when the red line crosses over the blue line, that means it's time to invest. That means the girl is feeling you. She's ready for you to slide in, okay? She's feeling you. She wants you. You know what I'm saying? She's going to let you get what you want out of her, okay? This is the dating market, right? Before she becomes wifey, because she hasn't shown you no value yet. Right now, she's just giving you signals, okay? So this right here is when she starts giving you them signals like, hey, come to my place. Why don't we go have drinks at my place? You know what I'm saying? When she's inviting you in, that's them choosing signals right here, okay? So that's when you say, oh, all right, cool. I'll bring the champagne, you know what I'm saying? Or I'll stop and grab something to eat. You know what I'm saying? So you invest a little bit, you put your money in, right? Okay. And then you're going to go over to her place, right? Because you know it's about to go down, right? All right. We're about to score. We're going to go watch movies, Netflix and chill and all that crap that you young guys do, right? Hey, I've been with my girl for 15 years, man. So my dating right now is a little bit different than your guys' dating. All right. But yeah, so just like in the dating market, right? She shows you signs. It's all good, right? And then boom, you go over, you have your good times. She gives you everything she's got, right? And what happens? Most guys, they get what they want, right? The stock goes up in value. You getting money out of there, okay? And all of a sudden, when the stock starts losing value, okay? She gave it up on the first night. Nah, bruh. Nah, there's not a lot of value in that, right? Right? Everybody wants her to give it up, but if she gives it up right up front, that's a bad sign, right? Too easy, too easy. So just like the stock market, it starts losing value. So you sell, you get rid of it. Okay? get your money, get what you came for, and you get out. You sell the stock. Okay? That's what buy low and sell high means. All right? Oh, Laro, man, hey, we can do this, bro. I'm gonna work on showing you guys how to read these charts. All right, but what I'm doing is slowly I want to introduce the stock market the right way. A lot of people just hear stock market and they know that they can go and invest and stuff like that, but it's the same, just like we hear in these spaces, and all the red pill mentality and all that, right? The dating market is the same thing. Okay, you can the what is it, the not the pillars, but the same ideologies that we have when it comes to the dating market, you can use that in the stock market. Okay, so I want people to be able to relate so that when they look at these stocks, they understand what's going on. It's very easy, man. Don't overthink it. Okay, a lot of people are going to come at you with all these kind of Elliott wave theories and all these different clouds and stuff like that. No, man. The stock market is the easiest thing because it's just like a woman. If you know how to read her, you look at her and she's giving you specific things. She's telling you specific things. You never listen to what they say. You watch what they do. Okay, and that's what's happening in the stock market, right? It's buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So when you hear stuff in the stock market, all of a sudden, like when you hear news about certain stocks and everybody's talking about it, there's rumors going around, right? Okay, so let me go see what's going on. Let me maybe put a little bit down on it so I can watch this chart. Okay, and when the chart tells you to put in some money, right here where the cross happens, okay, when the chart tells you put in some money, right, you're buying the rumor. Okay, just like a girl, she's showing you choosing signals. So you invest a little bit. All right. You don't just walk up to a girl in the street. She ain't giving you no real signals and be like, hey, let me buy you dinner and a movie and a car and a house. No, you don't do that up front, right? You ain't going to give it everything you got right up front. All right. So same thing. That's what this line right here is. These are the coffee dates. Okay. You hear the rumors. This company is doing this. This company is doing that. Sony's coming out with a new PlayStation. Microsoft coming out with a new Xbox. Right? DraftKings is making a new what is that? Like oh man, I just brain farted. Gambling app, right? Like DraftKings is coming out with a new gambling app. Oh, New York is opening up DraftKings so that we can gamble online. New Jersey, they're letting you gamble online, right? So when you hear the rumor, oh yeah, go check out the stock. You go look and see what it's doing. All right. Just like when you meet a chick, you get on her Instagram, you get on her TikTok. What's the other one with the pictures? Snap, whatever, it's Quick Snap, whatever that thing's called. You guys know what I'm talking about. All right. Snapchat. All right, so you guys get on Snapchat, you guys go and check her out, you do your due diligence. Same thing in the stock market. Okay, you gotta do your homework, right? You gotta go check her out because she might be not what you're looking for. Okay, that happens in the stock market, and I'm gonna show you a stock right here. Where's my charts? I go up here and I go down to in my TD Ameritrade. Okay, this is where I put my long-term stocks and some things that I want to invest in. And every once in a while, I'll go get me some penny stocks. And when I say penny stocks, I'm not talking about $1 to $5. I'm talking about these things are a fraction of a penny. Okay. But you see what happened right here? She looked good. I went and talked to her, introduced myself, got her name, got her Instagram, right? And then come to find out, she got flued out. All the ballers been flying her out. And what happens? She starts losing value. You see that? You see that stock going down? That's a penny stock. This thing started off as less than a penny. And as I got more and more information, the value kept going down. Okay. Checked out her TikTok, right? Oh, no, she's no good for me. Oh, no. She's super ratchet. Nope. I can't deal with that. I don't want none of that. Okay. So the same thing can happen in stocks. So you buy the rumor, right? Oh, she looks good up front. Yeah, she looks good. Let me go check her out. But then as you get to know her, the value goes down. All right. And so you sell. Get rid of it. Right. Same thing. This is what happened with some of my penny stocks. Okay. Those are the low value, super low value. There's another one. Look, same thing. All right. Met her in the mall, went and talked to her, gave her my number. I told her call me tonight. She called me 2 minutes later, playing games. She already losing value. Okay. She's on red flags. See the red flags right there? Look at that. Red flags right up front. See? She looked good right here. And look, she went red on me. Red flags. Okay. Stock market and the dating market ain't nothing different, man. Okay. Before you invest, you got to do your due diligence. You got to do a little bit of homework. Okay. You don't go all in up front. All right. But what's happening is a lot of dudes, right? They're meeting this chick on Instagram, and I'll show you what's happening. BTC USD. Okay. Here we go. She looked good last year, right? Let's see if I can. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. Right here. You see this? Yeah, she's in college. She's looking fine, boy. Ooh, she looked good. Oh, you going to get a degree? You in college? Oh, all right. Nice. Yeah, you met her. She looked good, right? And then you come to find out the whole frat got with her. Uh-oh. The whole football team, basketball team, some of the hockey team, right? We don't like that, right? So she lost all her value, okay? This is Bitcoin right here, guys. Look at Bitcoin. Just dropped in value this year, didn't it? Huh? All right. So then we're waiting. We're waiting to see some good signs. We want to see something good out of her. All right. Maybe she's going to fix her ways. She can be a born-again virgin or born-again Christian, right? So then we hear the rumors, right? She starts selling us good stuff. And then, actually, no. She's doing good things, man. She's doing good things. She's taking care of people. She's doing good stuff. And guys are coming in and they're buying in up here, you know, or they're buying in up here, right? They invested just because she was already up. She was in college. They thought she was going to do something good for her or for him, right? She thought, oh, that's wifey. She gonna cook me dinner. She's gonna clean my clothes, my laundry, right? She's gonna keep the house clean, and she's gonna work. What? Oh yeah. That's her right here. That's her up here. That's wifey, right? When she's in college, right? All the benefits. You bought the rumor, all right? She was on top of her game up here until you got to know her. You did your due diligence and found out what she was really worth. Huh? Look at that. Ooh. No good. All right. So down here, dude's got a what do we say? she belongs to the streets. Huh? Look. We had to pull her down out of the mountain. We sent Bitcoin down to the streets. All right. Okay. But then what happens? She gets that plastic surgery. All right. She got them cheeks installed. She got her nose fixed. Uh-oh. Now she's going up in value again. And dudes will buy in. Dudes will go back in knowing this, right? This girl is no good for you, but they go back. They go back. And this is what I expect, okay? This is what I'm expecting. Bitcoin is going to do us the same way she been doing us all this time. Look, 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 look. Look over here. Yeah, she graduated high school right here. All right. She said started going clubbing. All right. She started dressing nice. Body was all filled out the right way. Looking good. Huh? She was going up in value. Yeah. We like that, huh? And look what she did. She went way up. And she kept going up and up and up. She's getting better and better. Oh, she's in college. Yeah, we like that. Oh, she wants to be a wife. Oh, yeah. I'm going to give her all my money. Give her all my money. All right. Oh, she wants to have my 3 kids. Okay. 2 boys and a girl. Oh, snap. All right. That's it. I'm giving her everything I got. And then she gets pregnant and has abortion. Whoop. Uh-oh. What was that all about? Oh, no, but I still love you, baby. I still love you. I'm not ready for the kids yet. I'm not ready. Oh, okay, baby. I'll keep you. That's what's this right here. See that? She had the abortion. She lost value. All right. She killed off your sperm. She killed off your legacy. Huh? But we kept her anyway. Bitcoin. Right? So she said, no, baby. I need a few more years. We'll have your kids. I'll have your kids. We'll build a family. All right. So you kept her. All right. I remember she was in college, right? And what happened? Her best friend from her science classes, right? Yeah, he came over for a study date. He walked in and they wasn't studying. He was studying her anatomy. Okay. Boom. Had to get rid of her again. Damn, Bitcoin. You did me dirty like that. See that? Sell the news, guys. Sell the news. When you see them red flags, you got to get rid of it. All right? But what happens? What happens? You run into her a year later. Maybe you went through a dry spell, a couple months or something, right? She's still looking good. She's feeling all up on you. She's giving you that hug. She smells good. You know, you get that little bit of sense of femininity. And guys are letting her right back in. Bitcoin showing that she's still worth a little bit of something. So everybody's going to put their money back in. Okay. So history repeats itself, right? What do you think Bitcoin's going to do to you? Hey, Wadner, bro. I got a lot of experiences all over the world, worldwide experience, bro. It's not just dating, but yes, I do have some dating experience. I didn't like, when I was younger, I didn't really like the girlfriend thing. Okay. I was more of, I got connections. Okay. When I was in Hawaii, I had connections in every part of the island. Wherever I was at on the island, I had people, right? I had a girl on this side of the island. I had the girl over here. I had a girl over there. If I was going to go to the mall, I knew a girl that lived by the mall. If I was going to go to, go into the beach on the other side of the island, I knew some girls over there. So wherever I was at, I just made sure I had girls in every part of the island that I was going to be at. Okay. It wasn't about having a girlfriend. It was about just getting my rocks off, man. I was too, what's the word? Like I grew up wanting to make my own money, right? So I was always looking for ways to start a business and stuff like that. And so I didn't have a whole lot of time to dedicate to having a girlfriend and the whole, making a family gig and all that. I wasn't into that yet. I knew I wanted to have a family and stuff one day, but I was always focused on getting some money. All right. And that's just because of the way that I grew up. So, yes, I have experience with girls, but I didn't. It's like because I was red pilled at like 8 years old. I didn't trust women. Okay, you know what I'm saying. My mom gave me away. You know what I'm saying. When I knew her, I knew my family. My mom, you know, put me in foster care. Told me she was gonna come and get me. A couple years later, they told me that she put me up for adoption. Right. So, like, when you're old enough to understand that, and you already been through some stuff, but you go through the things knowing, like, you get through them because you know your mom's gonna come and get you, right? And so for a couple years, I went through the foster care system thinking, okay, my mom's gonna come and get me. So whatever I went through, I knew I could handle it because my mom was gonna come and get me. Right? I never knew my real dad. All right, my sperm donor. I never knew that guy. Okay, I only knew my mom and her family when I was growing up. So I could handle whatever foster care threw at me. Right, and they gave me a little bit of power with a phone number, my social worker's phone numbers. They told me, she told me anytime I needed something, I could give her a call. Right. So anytime I didn't like something, I could call her and she would come and get me and put me in another home. Right. Because that's how the foster care system works. It's like they knew, you know, I had the potential to act wild, you know, tear up furniture, burn shit. Pardon my French. You know what I'm saying? Like I had some I had some things about me that, you know, like she said, hey, anytime you don't like it, call me and we'll get you taken care of. So I was able to survive through foster care with the knowledge that my mom was gonna come and get me. At 8 years old, they came and told me, oh, your mom ain't coming to get you. You know, she put you up so that, you know, these people can adopt you. So when she did that, that's when that red pill switch went off. Damn, my mama lied to me. My mama did me like that. She don't care about me. Damn, I'm on my own. I got to look out for me. Right. So I grew up with that thought process. So I never really put a lot of time into a girlfriend, you know, because I saw the woman that I should be able to trust the most did me the dirtiest at a young age. Right. So that set me on a path that, you know, that's what got me to where I'm at today. Right. So, yeah, in my older years, as I, you know, through high school and stuff like that, I was just the way I play the stock market, bro. When they show me that it's going up in value, I buy low. And they go up in value. All right, cool. We could talk with chat. I come visit. Yeah, let's go watch a movie or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I did like a date or a day date, surfing date, beach date, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But when she showed me she wasn't worth shit, I got her out of there. Just like the stock market. She goes up in value. When she starts to turn over, I sell. Get out of there. All right. So that's why maybe that's why I can understand these charts so well. I understand what it's doing. There's no personal connection to any one stock. Okay. You don't go in there just saying, okay, Bitcoin's got to save my life. Bitcoin is the one. All right. Okay. I don't go into the stock market like that. Okay. It's not like Apple or nothing. It's not Tesla or nothing. No, growth stocks. I buy them. You know what I'm saying? I put a little bit in, you know what I'm saying? And I let them grow. And when they go up in value, I watch them. Okay. And then I sell some off and take my profit. And then I wait for the next time that they show me value again. That's why I do the swing trading, not the day trading. You know what I'm saying? Because day trading, you got to be in front of the computer all day looking at your stocks. Swing trading, I can do it over a couple days, couple weeks, couple months, whatever it takes. You know what I'm saying? But I don't have to dedicate all my time like a girlfriend, right? I don't have to dedicate too much time into that one stock. Okay. All I do is I go in here, I see where it's at. That's Bitcoin right now today. Okay. Bitcoin's on the rise. So people who bought down here in the green, you're good because it's going up as long as you bought low. Okay. If this was the beginning of the stock, this would be great. But seeing how Bitcoin's at $34,000, if you're going to buy into Bitcoin now, pay attention to the charts, right? And when you see it turn over, take your profit and get out of there. All right. That's with any stock. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. I can show you guys another one real quick. Oh, here you go. No. That one's not big enough. Yeah. This fund right here. You see those ups and downs, those highs and lows? Okay, so this is a whole fund. This one holds a whole bunch. This is the ARKK, the Kathy Woods Innovative Tech Fund. All right, so this one has Apple and Tesla and a whole bunch of what's the Uber, stuff like that, right? Technology that is controlling our economy, or it's making our economy better, making life better for us today, right now. And she looks forward to companies that are doing good or gonna do good for us, and she invests in those. And that's what this fund does, right? So it's got a lot of ups and downs, right? But if you look at where it started, if you bought in down here at $89, right, and then you wrote it up to $159, okay? So say you bought 10 of these, right? So say you bought 10 of them, or where is this? $85 right here. So you bought 10 of them, $850, all right? And then you wrote it up to $160. All right, so from 850, so it's times 10. So I bought 10 shares of this, $850, and it went all the way up to $1,600. Okay, damn near doubled your money right here. All right, so you got it in, you did your thing, all right. But then you find out, just like this whole girlfriend experience, right? You ain't the only boyfriend she got. So what happens? She lose value. So you got to sell. You got to get rid of her. You got to get rid of her right here. Why? See the red line crossing the blue line? You get rid of her right there. She got too many guys. Okay? All her orbiters, they ain't just orbiters. All right? Some of them, they coming around more often than you think. All right? So she loses value. You sell her right there. And look what happens. It went down in value. And then it went up and down and up and down. You know what I'm saying? And you find out she had multiple dudes while y'all were together. She loses value some more, right? It's a good thing you got rid of her. Okay? ARK fund is on, it went back up. It went back up in value. So if you bought down here, right? This is for the stock. I think DoorDash stock is a good buy because people are always hungry. It's at 170 per share. Yeah, DoorDash is a good growth stock. Let's see. Dash, yeah. So here's DoorDash right here. Okay, it is a good growth stock in my opinion. All right, because it's going to be around for a while. If you're watching the news, you see that the mask mandates are coming back. They're trying to make the jab mandatory. Watch New York and California, because when they do stuff, the rest of the country starts to follow. Texas puts up a good hard fight, but they fall in line eventually. So DoorDash has gone up and down in value and whatnot, but you see it right now. It's climbing. It's going back up. It is a good growth stock, especially when we're on these lockdowns and whatnot. All right, so this is the due diligence that you want to do. You got to think of what's happening in the world, what's happening in the economy. If they shut things down, people are going to be ordering food, right? If they close everything down, put the masks back out and everything, you can't go in the restaurants again. All that crap starts happening. Yeah, DoorDash is a good investment. Okay, just like all the grocery stores, they start delivering food and all of that. You can use DoorDash, Uber Eats, all those companies like that, all those delivery companies. Those are good investments, right? If nobody can leave home, that's a good investment, bro. So yeah, that's a good call on that, Wadner. DoorDash. In fact, did I have that in my... Hold on, let me see something real quick. I didn't. Why didn't I have that in there? Good call, bro. See, I'm slipping, man, because I get so stuck on the stocks that I've already done the work on. No, not dogs. What am I doing? Go to this watch list. I want to show you guys these watch lists, man, are so important because stuff like that. When you hear something, right, by the rumor, when you hear the rumor of a stock, if you go put it in one of your watch lists, right, then you can go and check on it. Then you can also stocks that you know make people money on and off, right? Whether you're trading or whether they pay dividends. Like, so this right here, this is my long-term stocks, and a bunch of my dividend plays are in this watch list, right? So like right here, I got Coca-Cola. And look at the value of Coca-Cola. Okay, and I want to show you guys something. This is a monthly chart right here of Coca-Cola. This is the monthly chart. This right here was Corona, March 31st, 2020. Look, it dropped way down to the bottom of this red wick right here. This is as low as it came, $36. Today, Coca-Cola is sitting at $57 a share. Right there, $57.03. All right. So you guys got to do your due diligence. Look at the history of some of these stocks. Okay. Like sometimes the stock, like right now, might not be good. But if you look at the history and see what it does, look, Coca-Cola has been down at $31. Coca-Cola has been down at $18. In 2009, Coca-Cola went down to $18. Okay. Today we're sitting at $57.03. $57. So 18 to 57. That's 3x your income, bro. So if you had bought, let's say every month, you bought one share of Coca-Cola. All right. So all this time right here, all these months, if you bought one share, right, you still only bought in at $47. Right now, you're still $10 up per share on those $47 stock shares that you bought. So this is all income. And look, Coca-Cola has gone up to $60 and it's getting there again. Okay. Price has memory. Stocks like to go where they've been before. When they drop, they go to a previous drop point. Right. So if I draw a line to where they've been, if I put a line, look, when it drops, look where it drops to. It's been here before. See that? Look, it's been here before. It's been here before. Over here, it was trying to get there. And then it got there. And once it got there, it didn't like to leave. Okay? Price likes to return to where it's been. When it goes up, it's going to try and break higher than it's been. When it goes down, it'll come down to support. Okay, it's been here before. People that have the stock, people that have Coca-Cola like Coca-Cola. Okay, this is the same reason guys go back to girls they've been with. They already know her. They know her habits. They figured out, you know what? I can handle her habits. I can go back. I can keep messing with this girl. All right. Okay. All of this comes together. All this energy works together, guys. All right. The stock market is just people's emotions. Okay. Fear and greed working. All right. Same thing when you get with a chick. There's fear and greed, right? I want all of her or I don't want none of her. You know what I'm saying? She's going to eat me alive. She's going to try and take my money. She's going to kill off my babies, right? She's going to take my house. All it is the same thing, fear and greed. All right. So when you hear people talking about the dating world, listen to how they talk. Are they talking out of fear or are they talking out of greed? Okay. It's just like the stock market. Fear and greed. All right. Anybody who's been watching me over the years, you know what I'm saying? To me, relationships are give and take. Okay. I can't make no money off of Coca-Cola unless I put something in. I got to put some money into Coca-Cola in order for Coca-Cola to give me something back. That's any relationship. Me and Wadner, you know what I'm saying? If I don't give him no information, Wadner's gonna be like, why the hell am I gonna listen to this dude? Okay. Same thing with Laro and Sheed. If I have no value to them, if I'm not giving them nothing, why are they gonna come back and spend any type of time on my my stream? Okay, any relationship. Okay, whether it's friends, whether it's work, right? You go to work, if you don't do the labor that they demand of you, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm a system administrator on my day job, so I got to go in, I got to put out fires, and I got to make our network be able to work correctly, right? The teachers need to be able to do what they got to do. The principal got to be able to do what she's got to do. HR got to be able to do what they got to do. If I don't do that, if I don't make all of that work, I'm not bringing value to my my school district. So what are they gonna do? They're gonna get rid of me, right? Sell the news. Mike ain't worth shit. Get rid of him. Mike ain't doing nothing. He don't put out fires. You know what I'm saying? He don't make nothing better. Get rid of him. Okay? So that's how you gotta live your life, man. It's just relationships. Microsoft's a good growth stock, man. Microsoft is running the world. All right, check this out, bro. Look at that. That's Microsoft. That is the monthly chart for Microsoft. Each candle is a month. Look at where they started. This is 2014. This is 2013. In 8 years, Microsoft went from $34 to $290, bro. That's a growth stock. You see the growth right there. These are the ones you buy and you hold on to forever. Okay? This is what do they call them in the movies? This is when you find a muse, right? You meet a chick, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't good for each other, but whenever you get around her, it's a decent vibe, right? But she's just raunchy. You know that she ain't gonna never settle down with one dude. But when you talk to her, you know what I'm saying? She could tell you why this girl was the way she was or that girl. Some dudes like to talk to a female for information about other females. Okay, and every once in a while there are some girls out there that will kick honest knowledge to you, just like everybody's in love with what's her name, Jessica X, right? Why? Because they believe that Jessica X wants to give them the true information, right? So Jessica X is like the muse of the manosphere. Okay, and so this is what happened to Jessica X. She came in, nobody knew her, right? And she spoke and spoke, and she got on the panels, and her value started rising. Why? Because she wasn't showing the ratchet behavior of the women that these dudes already knew about, right? And so what happened to Jessica X? She got on bigger and bigger panels. She went up against the, I guess you could call them the big wigs in the manosphere, the big wigs of the female spaces, right? And what happened? Her value in our space grew, right? So Microsoft, think of Microsoft as the same as Jessica X. It's a growth stock. The value is going up. All right. So that's where we're at. Yo, what's up, Mo? Hey, hold up, man. Mo, do you have a I don't have my hold on. Let me go. Oh, you know what? Let me turn off the music, man. I'm tired of yelling over the music. All right, but anyway, those beats were made by my son. If you guys ever need beats or whatever, check out Shy Zay. He's on YouTube. It's SHIZAY, and he's on BeatStars. So I'm gonna close that off. All right. Where was I going? Damn, I lost my train of thought. Damn, see, I started focusing on my family. I completely. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I gotta give Mo a blue wrench. Hold up, Mo. Don't go nowhere. I gotta go to my channel. Don't go nowhere. I'm coming. I gotta get into the my video so I can give you a wrench. There you are. Go nowhere. I'm coming. Oh, mute. All right. Yeah, there he is. Mo. Mo is now what? Oh, there you go. Boom. Mo, if you're still in there, go ahead and say something, bro, so I can make sure you got your blue suit on. That's right. Melody. Okay, so I'm glad you said Melody. Here, let's go. All right, let me go back over here. Okay, so what else is a good growth stock? Shall we say Tesla? Uh-oh, is that Melody? Melody, same thing like Jessica. She came in, right? She hung around. She didn't do the ratchet behavior and stuff. She's cute, right? And she said some things every once in a while. I was like, okay, Melody, know what's going on, right? And then Melody got her channel, and she started letting all the helmets and people come up and speak their mind. And what happened? The value went up, right? And so Melody's value went straight to the moon. Okay. So Melody is Tesla. Jessica X is Microsoft. Okay. Those are growth stocks. You grab those. You meet a girl like that. You hold on to her. Right. You keep them close. And every once in a while, you put more money in on Tesla. Every once in a while, you put more money in on Microsoft. Right. Why? Everybody's looking for a Jessica X. Everybody's looking for a Melody. Right. They want a girl like that. Somebody who understands them. Right. Somebody who sees the light, who sees the truth. And they ain't gonna get on that ratchet behavior, but they look good doing it, right? All right, so that's your growth stocks, bro. All right, let me see. Mo said something. All right, Mo, looking good, looking good. Yes, sir. See, and I do this, man, because I want everybody to be able to come in and say their piece. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I like seeing the color when I do look at my stream, and I look at my chats and stuff like that. It gets boring when everything's just white on the screen. You know what I'm saying? I like color. I want some color in my life. So I give everybody the blue, right? And if I decide that somebody don't need to be in there, if I take away your wrench, this is how I am. If I have to take away somebody's wrench, that means they disrespectful. Okay? So I'm gonna do them the same way we do them ratchets. You're out of here. I'm just gonna boot them from my screen. Point blank, period. I don't have time to mess around with people that gonna be disrespectful and all that. All right. I try not to be disrespectful, but in the spaces that we're in, when I ask a question, a logical question, people take that as disrespect. All right. Just like when I told the perfume guy, hey man, you want to make more money from the dudes, you got to change your product. And what did he do a week later? A week later, he changed his product. And look at him now. Hey, y'all heard him say it. You see me on the panel with him, telling him, I don't listen to your shit. And what did he do? He changed up his shit. And look at him now. I cannot tell a lie. But all right, that's neither here nor there. That's my piece on that fool. All right. But hey, more power to him. He's making the money he said he wanted, right? He told us what he was here for. All right. He wanted to make the money. He didn't get the money out of us with what he wanted. And so now he's making money with what we wanted. All right, no. He didn't make the money from us, from the manosphere and from Black YouTube. He wasn't getting the money he wanted. He changed up his product and gave the guys exactly what he wanted. They wanted to hear the girls talk. They wanted to hear them say something. They wanted to hear them get put in their place, right? And so he gave them that, and now he's making all that money. Okay? That's business 101. And that's exactly what I said to him that day. But anyway, I'm a nobody. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. So Jessica X and Melody, right? Tesla and Microsoft, growth stocks, those are keepers. Let me go back over here. Boom. All right. What else we got? All right. Let me see. I want to show you guys. So I said, dividend stocks. You guys heard me say about dividend stocks. Those are wifey material. You just keep putting money in them and they keep giving you something back. I have a few dividend stocks Coca-Cola is a dividend stock. Okay. Coca-Cola keeps going up in value, and they give you money month after month after month. Or no, quarterly. They pay every 3 months. All right. So that's wifey right there. She keeps you at peace. You invest in her and she gives you back money. She helps you make more money. What's up, Underrated Darkness? What's up, man? Long time no see. Nah, Wagner, bro. He don't owe me nothing. He don't owe me nothing. That's why I went up there, because he told everybody that he was a salesman. And then he got on the panel that day and he was trying to tell us, the customer, that we're wrong for not buying him. Right? Like, if Nike makes some ugly ass Jordans, Nike can't come out and scream at the customers, buy my shit, buy my ugly ass Jordans, right? No, what does Nike do? They improve their product. They give us a shoe that we want. Right? So he don't owe me nothing. He did the work. He figured out what it is that the guys want. Right? And not everybody can do that. You know what I'm saying? So when you look at the guys that are making money in these spaces, right, they're giving the customer what they want. You know? So I can't take credit for none of that. I'm just like I'm logical. You know what I'm saying? I saw what he was doing wrong, and I just called it on him. But now, see, y'all saw when I said, hey, you can't blame the customer for not buying your product. You see how offended he got. That's the shit that happens to me in these spaces. I go in with some logical shit and people get mad at me. They get all in their emotions because I'm just asking a serious logical question, and I call people on their bullshit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a good pretender. You know, that's why I didn't go to Hollywood. I'm not an actor, bro. You know what I'm saying? If I was a good pretender like that, I'd be like, I don't know, Martin, Eddie Murphy or something. Like, you know what I'm saying? I could go out there and start making movies or something. If I'm gonna pretend, I'm gonna get paid for it. Okay. So I can't be that pretender, bro. That's all I could do is I can have a conversation without getting in my feelings. You know what I'm saying? But y'all saw him. He got in his feelings, and what did he do? He got on his keyboard. Oh, well, what have you done? Oh, I see you've been on YouTube since this year, and oh, you got skateboarding video. Yeah, because I'm a family man, and I've always said that since day one. Okay, I didn't get on YouTube to make money. I got on YouTube to record some of my memories. You know what I'm saying? Because those little memory sticks and the thumb drives and stuff like that, I work in IT. I know it's very easy to lose that stuff. But if I put some of my memories and some information, some of the things I teach my sons, if I keep it if I put it on YouTube and I put it on video, it's digital, it's here forever. It's saved on data centers somewhere, right? So my boys will always be able to go back. I ride motorcycles. If something happens to me, all right, I've been in motorcycle accidents. Okay, it can happen. I've seen my friends die in motorcycle accidents. So if something happens to me, there is a recording, or there's many recordings of my voice, of the knowledge that I've been kicking to my sons. You know what I'm saying? So when they hear me say a certain thing, that'll refresh their memories. So they'll have memories of pops telling them things. All right. Like I said, I didn't get on YouTube to make money. Look. In fact, I started my video today. I didn't even put my CashApp thing. You look at my last 20 videos, I have the CashApp thing going across. I didn't even put it up, right? Now, I'm not blaming anybody that does, man. If you got it, you got it. Make money doing what you do, right? But that was not the purpose why I started my YouTube. But he tried to call me out on that because that's what he's focused on. He was focused on making the money. And then he tried to attack me for not having a great YouTube channel. But I didn't make my YouTube channel for just, money or for anybody. No, what I'm teaching my sons, for people who need to hear that, if they ever go online and they ask a question in YouTube, right? My video might come up, and if they watch the video, they might get an answer or an idea to solve the issues that they're having. That's what I'm here for. Just like right now, the economy, the world is all screwed up. We are going through the biggest wealth transfer of all time right now. Okay. Look, I just showed you guys. Where's that ratchet hoe? back to Ratchet. Okay. Now we seen Microsoft and Tesla. We seen Jessica X and Melody, right? Look. This is Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin going up and down. This is that ratchet behavior. Girl, you looks good. Why don't you back that ass up? But she ratchet, right? She twerking during the riots out in the middle of the street. That's Bitcoin. She ratchet. Let's go to a weekly chart. Look, she ratchet. She's up and down. Look, she bending over. You see that? That's her. She on the bed with her cheeks up in the air. Look at this ratchet hoe right here. Cheeks all up in the, for everybody though. That's for everybody. Huh? We don't want the ratchet. No. Okay. Give me the growth stock. This right here. This is just what you play with. Okay. These you leave in the streets. All right. Bitcoin, if you buy in, be prepared to sell. Take your profit and get out of there. Okay, when you come across that ratchet behavior, get out of there. That's what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is ratchet, bro. All right, let me get back on the screen. I know y'all miss me. oh. There we go. All right. Yeah, so Bitcoin is ratchet, okay? So look at the difference. This is Bitcoin. Look, bending over for everybody. Everybody could get some. That's Bitcoin, right? But if we go back, there it is. Look at Microsoft. Huh? Look at that. She got the humps. Look at Jessica X. What are these two bumps right here? You look at all her pictures. What do we see? She got the humps out, right? Huh? The melons are out there. Yeah, there's the melons. Jessica X's melons. And she just keeps going up and up and up in value. There's Jessica X. And what did we say? Where's Melody at? Let's look at Melody. Tesla. Hold on, I take that back. That's jacked up. There's Melody. Wait, no. There's Melody. Let's go here monthly. There's Melody. There she is. She came in. She kept quiet. She didn't really mess with nobody. Every once in a while, she said something that everybody liked to hear. She didn't have no ratchet behavior. And then she made her own channel and her value went straight up, right? Okay. There's our Melody. Okay. All right. Let me get out of there. And what did I say? Coca-Cola. This is wifey right here. She just keeps going up and up and up. She might make a mistake and she might go and buy some furniture, spend some money on the credit card, right? But that's not too bad, right? A little bit of mistake. Some goofiness is allowed. You got to give room for some goofiness, right? So this is when the market goes down. This was a crash, okay? And look where we're at. 2020, we had a crash. Look where we're at. We're doing better now than we were before the crash. All right? This is Coca-Cola. Yeah, bro. Hey, Wander, man. Like I said, this is why I don't like every once in a while I'll go in there and I'll say something, right? But I barely do any of the panels or anything like that anymore, man. If I do, I'm gonna go somewhere where we talking about some logic, or I'm going there to learn and ask the questions that haven't been asked yet. You know what I'm saying? Like Ty City. Shout out to Ty City. He's doing the his logic sphere. He's doing the crypto. He's doing the guns. You guys go check out Ty City, man. He's got a lot of knowledge he's kicking out there. And you guys know I like to listen to Angry Man because he comes with a different perspective than just the insults and all that. You know what I'm saying? Some people can't handle the way that information is delivered. You know what I'm saying? But I'm a grown-ass man. I don't get in my emotions but what another man says. You know what I'm saying? Especially if that man is in his emotions. So yeah, I like the way that Angry Man presents his information and stuff like that. So I give a shout out to Angry Man. And you guys know the rest, man. Zero's on it. Aegon, you know what I'm saying? Aegon lets everybody come up and explain some stuff. those are the dudes that I don't mind spending time in there. And a lot of the other guys, I don't mind the education, man. I can't go to like Game Changer. I like to listen to Game Changer because I feel like Game Changer is a very smart dude, and his perspective, the way he breaks things down, is not only entertaining, but it helps me open up my mind into my thinking process. Okay. Like I said, I'm not no college boy or nothing like that, man. Okay. I was one of those guys who knew I was going to make it without going to college. And so far, so good. All right. I'm doing what I consider to be very well for myself. You guys have seen, I just bought this $300,000 house. My family, my kids are all grown. Okay. I've raised 5 children to adult. Well, okay, 4 children to adulthood. And my 13-year-old daughter, who might as well be an adult, she takes care of me and her mama, I think, more than we take care of her. All right. Have you guys read Zurich Axioms? I'm halfway through. It's a great book about investing, the psychology, and some basic rules to go by. I have not read that one yet, but one of the guys that I follow shouts out that book a lot. Gerald Peters has shouted that book out multiple times, and that's where I learned majority of my trading strategies from him and Chris Johnson, who learned from Gerald Peters. And I do believe so Gerald's been in this game for 20 some odd years. He's been in the stock investment world, so he has read a lot of the stock books, and he was doing it way back in the day before you could invest online, right? And then he took kind of like I consider him like the Bruce Lee of the stock market world. He took the best of all these different trading technologies and trading strategies and put them together into his trading, his stock strategy. Okay. He calls it the money flow, right? MFG, money flow gang. Okay. So following him, I have been able to make profits in the stock market. Okay. Chris Johnson, he's a brother, a young guy. He's about 30? I think he just turned 30, right? I watched him become a millionaire, but I was following him not because of the stocks. I was following him for other reasons, right? So I seen him in 2020 when his investment portfolio crossed over that $1 million that hold, you know what I'm saying? Like he became a millionaire, and I got to see it, right? Now, me and him have a lot of the same mentalities when it came to business and stuff, right? And so he knew some things about Shopify and stuff like that, and that's how I started following him. And that dude became a millionaire in 2020. I seen him when he became worth his portfolio became $5 million like 8 months later, and then I think right now he's sitting at he's worth like a 12 or 14 million or something. It's 2021. The dude became a millionaire May of last year or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So that I do believe that is a good book, but I believe that we have to all learn from all the different strategies and kind of come to our own strategy, because there's so many different ways. And some people create strategies for day traders. Some create strategies for long-term hold. Some create strategies for dividends. Some create strategies for swing trading, right? So you have to know when you're looking at a person's strategy or strategies that they're teaching, what that strategy is good for, right? So like me, I'm mainly a dividend investor. That's my long-term holds, right? Invest in stocks that give me back money, and I just build on that. Okay. Every payday, every time I cut hair, every time I fix a computer, whenever I get my affiliate payouts, right? I have money coming in from different sources. Okay. So from all of those sources, I put money into my dividend stocks. Okay. And this account that I have up here, let me show you, like, where is it? My positions, you see right here, I got 30 some odd positions in here. All of these stocks right here, I have, I am invested in right now. Okay. This whole list right here is like 30, I believe it's 34 stocks. This is my swing trading account. Every once in a while, I'll put money in here, but I'm making this account grow on its own by using the strategies I know of swing trading. Buy low, sell high. Okay, so that's the strategy I'm using in this account. So those are the two. Yeah. Gerald Peters, old white dude. He's like 50 some odd years old. Cool dude. When he talks, he's gonna say some shit that might offend you. You know what I'm saying? It's not a black or white thing, right? It's he's just straight up, like straight. He's just straightforward. He's a straight shooter. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna say, "Stop acting like bitches." He says shit like that on his streams. He's cleaning it up a little bit because he's going on multiple platforms now. So he's spreading out his knowledge and stuff like that. So Gerald Peters is a great guy to listen to, man. It's Geral. Actually, you know what? Here, let me put his name. I'm gonna put his name in the chat, man. You guys, I highly suggest you guys check this guy out on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube. All right, watch a couple of his videos on YouTube and you see what he's about. This is a dude that became a millionaire. He took all these strategies and cut out the bullshit, right? What do we say? Chew the meat, spit out the bone. He did that for us over the last 20 some odd years. Okay, and then he's putting the information out there. Okay, and he's got a little book of his trading chat. You can go and get it if you want, right? But he does have his knowledge out there for free. Okay. Why? Because he doesn't need YouTube money. Okay, he's making money in other ways, right? He's not a salesman. He doesn't. Yeah. Anyway, that's Gerald Peters. So y'all go check out Gerald Peters. And the other one is Chris Johnson. What is it? Chris Johnson, 17th. That's his Twitter name. Yeah, I'm not going to give you his Twitter name. It's Chris Johnson 17th, but he's got a whole bunch of people that are faking his accounts. So on Twitter, if you guys hit me up on Twitter, I can connect you with Chris Johnson on Twitter so that you follow the right one. He's got a lot of people that copy his information and whatnot. But Chris Johnson, but check him out on Instagram. He's on YouTube. Where else is he? He's on Instagram. Yeah, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, right? Yeah, both of them. Gerald Peters, you can find both of them, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. All right, they're putting out information, man. And you guys have seen it in the bottom of my whenever I make these streams, in the description, I put the information of where you can get some courses, the Wealth Squad information. That's Chris Johnson's Discord. You know what I'm saying? There's 40,000 strong in there. People making money. We're making millionaires every day. If I didn't believe in it, okay, if you guys have listened to me, have seen me over the years on YouTube, I can't really bullshit you, man. I'm not a good bullshitter. All right. So I put out information. I'm in a Discord with 40,000 other people that are making money every day. I see people making bank. Okay. I see people putting up their screenshots of their accounts and stuff like that. Okay. So if I didn't believe in it, I wouldn't tell you guys to go check it out. That's just that free game I'm giving you guys. All right. I would have been, you know what I'm saying? Back in the day, I would have been that pimp that pulls over, the young 6th grade or 7th grade dude and say, hey, look. This is how you go talk to that girl. A, B, C, and D. Boom, 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 boom. All right. You try that next time you come across her and you let me know how it turns out. That would have been me. All right. I would have been kicking some free game. Why? Because I make my money over here. Okay. Can I make money on YouTube? Yeah, I can come on here and I can be a clown and I can entertain and do all that shit, right? I can do the drama. I can get into beefs and pull people in here for over some dumb shit. But then I got to keep doing that. That's not where I want to put my energy. You know what I'm saying? I don't got time for all that. All right. So when I go on here, I'm putting out information that people can use, just straight up information. If they don't like it, they don't want to see it, cool. You know what I'm saying? You didn't come to Mike to see Ronald McDonald bounce around. Okay. I ain't homie the clown. All right. That's not me. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to give you some knowledge. I'm going to give you some ways to make money. That's what we're doing over here. Okay. In my space, we're going to make some money. Okay. Every once in a while, I'm going to talk about some other topics like today. You know what I'm saying? Stock market and the dating market. It's the same shit, man. The same mentality you put into those women, you can use in the stock market, or vice versa. The same way you buy low and you sell high, right? It's the same thing you can do with that same mentality with women. Now, I'm not telling you to go sell women. So don't put it out there that Mike's telling you guys to be a pimp. I didn't do that. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying invest your energy in women, but when she shows you a reason not to, then you get out of there. Sell. Okay? Get out of there. All right. But unless you guys have any questions or it's an AMA, man. If you guys have any questions, man, throw them down there, bro. Because I'm here. I want to help people out. You know what I'm saying? I can't help you if I don't know what you got on your mind. All right. But definitely check out those two brothers right there, or those two guys, Joe Peters, Chris Johnson. All right, so I did the stock market, dating market. Oh, okay. I had mentioned to you guys before. One more thing I'm gonna mention while I'm waiting to see if anybody's got questions. Oh, there you go. Stocks, and maybe take a few joints on a Wendy's date this week when I get paid. Man, look. This is my advice, bro. Don't even do the Wendy's. Go walk downtown. You know what I'm saying? Go for a walk in your maybe like your bar scene district, or if you have a clubbing district or something like that, where you know that they have some food out at night, some vendors or whatever. Maybe there's a pizza shop open or something. Go for a walk, bro. Okay? Don't go and sit down and let her get comfortable, and then she's gonna bust out her phone and do all that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Go for a walk, you know what I'm saying? And then every once in a while, sit down on the bench or go sit down on something, do something fun with her, you know what I'm saying? Get her to pose for you, take a picture, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Because just sitting down to eat, you know what I'm saying? She does that 3 times a day anyway. Do something different, Wadner. That's my advice. If you're truly interested in this girl, do something different, man. Okay, or these girls or whatever. Don't do the same shit everybody else is doing, man. The shit don't work. All right? That's what the manosphere has been teaching us, right? Dinner dates, that shit don't really work. Right? And remember, make her show you her value first. Take her for a walk. Watch, let's go look at Melody again. What do we say? Melody was Tesla, right? We go look at Tesla. So look, take her for a walk, bro. Okay? Don't go all in. You don't do all this. This is the dinner date. You're giving her nothing but full on attention. There you go, man. Right there. Central Park. You know what I'm saying? You go find, like, map it out. Map out the couple of places. I know they got statues and bridges and they got a little water thing over there at the park. So kind of map out kind of like where you want to walk, bro. You know what I'm saying? Take some pictures, go sit down on the swings or whatever, and get her to open up and get her in a relaxed mood to where she can talk. And then while you're there, bro, ask her about her favorites, about the best times. Okay? That is like the easiest way to get her to open up, because you're putting her in a positive space, right? What was the best vacation you ever went on? What was your favorite Christmas? Okay? What's the best place you ever traveled to? Or where do you want to travel? What do you see yourself where do you see yourself traveling to in the next year? Right? Make her map out a vacation in her mind, right? Because now you're putting her and you're getting her gears going, right? Now she's gonna get comfortable. All right. And that's that's not game, that's common sense. But In this space, people would call it game. So it is what it is. Call it what you want to call it. No, I got my coffee. Thank you, babe. See, she came in and asked me if I wanted a drink. She just came home. All right. So, but I already got, look, I got my Starbucks right here. So I didn't need another drink. But yeah, man. Yeah, that's the things that you guys should be talking about. Then ask her, don't ask her about anything that's going to put her in a negative space. Don't ask her about BLM. You know what I'm saying? Don't go out there and talk about I don't know, whatever, all the negative shit that's going on in the world. Don't talk about that. Okay? She's expecting a woman needs to be be comfortable. Because when she gets comfortable around you, she's going to go out of her way to make you comfortable. The women know what we want. They know we want to get laid, but she wants to know that you're able to keep her on an even keel. Okay? Because she's already going to get stressed out, especially if she's got a job. You know what I'm saying? She's got to go out and work for some other dude that she don't give a fuck about. Right? And she's got to put her energy and she's got to act right and all this and that. Okay? So a woman that's worth it, if you show her that you can make her comfortable, bro, they will go to the ends of the world for you. But the problem is there's too many dudes out there trying to go out and, act all hardcore and trying to be the fucking super alpha macho man and this and that. And the girls see through the bullshit. Right? They see through the bullshit. They got guys every single day talking to them. Every single day. You think since she was 12 and now she's 25 or 30, whatever age, you know what I'm saying? You think that she hasn't seen that same shit over and over and over again? So this should be like, for us, this should be common sense, right? Just talk to her about positive things. Okay, she's already got negative in her life. Just like you don't want some girl to come to you, oh, I need money for this. I need money for that. Oh, my car broke down, right? Oh, I need this. Just like y'all don't want to. Some guys will say negatives. Oh, man, yeah, my kids are sick. And this. The guys don't want to hear that. Well, same thing with the women, man. Okay? Don't go and talk about negative stuff. All right? Don't talk about the lockdowns and stuff like that unless she brings it up. If she brings it up, be like, oh, yeah, during the lockdown, me and my girlfriends, we did this and blah, 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 blah. And we had a good time. And we're okay. Then, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Then you talk about that in that realm, but let her bring it out. That's right. Hundreds of guys in her DMs want her, bro, they, you know what I'm saying? Just because she looks good and cute and homely, it don't mean that dudes ain't hitting her up every single day. It don't make her a hoe because dudes are hitting her up. Okay? You know what I'm saying? There's like, what do they say? There's like 4 to 7 women to every man on earth, something like that. All right? So us dudes are hitting up the women. You know what I'm saying? Like, and every woman is getting hit up by multiple guys. All right. So be different. All right. Show her a good time. Make her laugh if you got it in you. You know what I'm saying? If you don't got it in you to make her laugh, you don't go out of the way trying to be a comedian. All right. Don't be that corny guy with the dad jokes. All right. You leave that to guys like me. You leave the dad jokes to us old fools. All right. Us guys in our 40s, you leave the dad jokes to us. All right. Y'all go out there and be funny, be yourself, be young, be energetic, dance. Okay. A lot of guys will tell you to dance is like simping or what's beta. You know what I'm saying? Look, all that alpha and beta shit, get that shit out of your minds. All right. Because at any moment in time, we all go through the different, what is it? The sigma, the alpha, the beta, the sigma. We all go through different times. All right. When you're in college, your ass should be sigma. Okay. You should be learning, focused on your shit. You don't care about what everybody else is doing. You're not trying to lead this dude to get A's in college. All right. When you're in college, you should be sigma. You should be focused on your shit. Okay. You want to be alpha? You go build a business, you be the CEO of a business, and you take charge of your company so that your company makes profit and you make money. That's when it's time to be alpha. Or if you're on a construction team and you're the foreman, you got to take charge and make sure nobody falls off the fucking building. You got to set the rules, set things straight, right? Keep people in line. That's when you be alpha. Sometimes you got to be beta. All right. When you go work a job, if you're not hired to be the boss, you're not the manager, then shut the fuck up and do what you said you were going to do when you signed the contract. Okay. That's beta. Right. So all this shit about you got to be alpha, you got to be beta, this and that. Don't listen to that shit. All right. Don't listen to other dudes tell you got to be alpha. You got to be. No. You want to be strong? You go to the fucking gym, you work out, or you go run, you go exercise, whatever. Okay. You want to build a nice body and this and that? Because guess what? Bill Gates don't got no super fucking muscle body. All right. Jeff Bezos don't got no super fucking muscle body. What's the other one? Elon. Okay. Look at the dudes that all of us might say that dude's kind of alpha. All right. But at times they're alpha. At other times we've seen Elon Musk. He's beta. Okay. Bill Gates, beta. Going through a divorce. Jeff Bezos, beta. Going through a divorce, right? So don't pay attention to that shit. You don't gotta be, you cannot fake it. You do what needs to be done when it needs to be done. Okay. Sometimes you gotta lead. Sometimes you gotta follow. That's reality. Okay, that's why there's so many different names. It's different behaviors at different times. And what does this time call for? That's the behavior. All right. See how that, like, man, this is the stuff that I had to teach my sons. You know what I'm saying? Stop listening to what the general populace is telling you. Okay. If everybody's doing it, apparently it's not working. All right. So don't be like everybody else. Don't be like the sheep. Don't buy Bitcoin. Don't buy the top. Okay. When you see Bitcoin in the news, when you see, where's Melody at? When you see Tesla at 900, that's not when you buy. Okay. When everybody, look, somebody bought Tesla. What's this price right here? At $588, right? But a couple days before that, the guys that did their due diligence. Oh, no, this is months. Hold on. A couple months before that. Let's go. So right here, during this month, it was at $900. The month before that, it was at $692. So we'll say $700, right? The month before that, it was at $588. And a couple months before that, Tesla was at $350. So the dudes that did their homework, they bought low and then they sold at $900. 3x your money. Get out of there, right? Okay. And then you can come back. And when it dips again, then you can buy back in and you do it again. And you can do it over and over and over again, right? You can just keep buying Tesla. I'll be like, Melody, come here, let's talk. You know, all right, Melody, hey, I got things to do. I'm gonna hit you up after I come back from working. All right, and you just go back and forth. All right, you don't put all your focus on Melody, because then Melody's gonna get bored. She's gonna start acting up, right, giving you attitude and shit because she's tired of hearing you and smelling your breath. All right, so you can't be all over Melody all the time. No, you don't buy Melody at the top. You don't buy Tesla at the top. Okay, you get in down here. You do your homework. You see the good behavior. That's when you invest in her. Okay. When she gets ratchet like Tesla over here and then she starts coming down, nah, you got to get rid of her. I'm stupid. But yeah, man. Yeah. If you guys don't have any questions, man, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. I promised wifey was going to watch a movie. I'm going to put on The Purge, the new Purge that just came out. What is it? Forever Purge or whatever. We're gonna watch a movie and stuff, and then I got haircuts in a couple hours. Or a haircut. So I don't know. I might get back on later, or maybe you guys will see me out in the YouTube streets and stuff. You know what I'm saying? We'll chop it up. Like I said, y'all see me leaving comments. I ain't beefing with nobody. I ain't trying to get at nobody. I'm just gonna leave comments and ask questions. Usually it's something logical, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, and let's just enjoy this day, man. It's the weekend. Let's have fun. Wadner, bro, if you're going out there, man, hey, you know what I'm saying? Be safe. You know what I'm saying? If you get it in, you take my advice. Hey, Wrap it up. Protect yourself. Okay. Hey, cover that shit up. Okay. Because you might kick too much game. You might get her too happy where she gets giddy and she just comes and jumps in your lap. Okay. If she jumps in your lap, bro, you gotta be prepared to pop it out. Have that shit on you, pop it out, wrap it up. Then you can get it in. All right. Hey, that's common sense, but apparently what we've seen in these streets, it ain't so common. But yeah, man, you guys go check those guys out. Check out the Wealth Squad. Like I said, Wealth Squad is 40,000 deep, bro. 40,000 people, and we all in there winning. And okay, I might have said this before. If you see the pictures of the girls in the Wealth Squad, they're what is that called? The avatar. Hey, they got some women in there making money. Okay. They get on the camera sometimes. They get all up in the chat and they're making money. They're calling out stocks. We got women in there that look good and think good. All right. I got my girl and I'm already a one-woman man. All right. Like I said, back in my day, I had a girl in every town and every bus stop. You know what I'm saying? I had a girl at every bus stop. Now I don't need all that. I don't got the energy for that. I'm focused on other things. Okay. Now I'm trying to find vacation homes and overseas homes and vehicles to travel the world. You know what I'm saying? I want to drive across America. I want to drive into South America and go see some things. All right. So I want to go live amongst the world. I've already traveled and flown, so I know places that I want to go see. That I never made it to or whatever. So that's my plan. That's where my focus is. All right. I got a woman that gave up her abilities. Like she could have got any man she wanted. If you don't believe me, go look at my Facebook, go through my history, look at my photos. You'll see what my girl looks like. She's always been fine. I live out in Tucson, Arizona. She's always had options. You know what I'm saying? She gave in to me. All right. She accepted to follow my lead. And so, me and her, we're going to travel the world. We're going to go see things. You know what I'm saying? She gave me that feminine energy that was needed in my life to keep me calm and cool. Cause I'm a hustler, bro. I get out there and I do work. Right. And so she was able to keep that my brain at peace. You know what I'm saying? She brought that feminine energy to calm me down when I'm overworking or if I'm stressed out because something I'm trying to do is not working quite right. Or if I just did 50 fucking haircuts in a day and I'm just tired and worn out. My girl, she'll come rub my back. She'll rub my shoulders, my arms. You know what I'm saying? Like things like that. All right. So she's a keeper. So I keep her. All right. So in my future, there's things I want to do and she's willing to come along for that ride. The kids are grown, right? So we got one left, right? And we're gonna make the best that we can with that one, And then when she gets old and she moves out, bro, you know what I'm saying? Or not moves out, but when she's old enough to where she can take care of our home or whatever, we're gonna go do things, man. We already got plans. We got shit laid out well into our 70s. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So yeah, man, Wadner, be careful, right? Have fun. You know what I'm saying? Take pictures, bro. Keep memories of the things you do, the places you've been. All right. Because you're going to want to look back at that. All right. And always on a first date, always get a picture. Get a picture, even if it's just a selfie. You know what I'm saying? You just hold the camera up and take a quick selfie, right? Because you might meet a chick and then 30 years from now, you might still be with that chick and be like, babe, remember when we did this? Remember our first date? You show her that, guess what? She's going to get all giddy again. You know what I'm saying? She's going to get all happy. She'll be like, oh, look, he remembers me. You know what I'm saying? I was precious to him. He still respects me. All that crap, right? But when you do that little bit, it's not a lot of energy. You don't got to spend $1,000 on a date or on a stupid ass purse and this and that, right? Just that little bit of energy that makes her brain, it ticks you tick up a little bit. You get another notch, right, in her mind. Little things like that, man. All this shit that dudes are buying, man, fuck the hell. Don't listen to no dude that tells you, hey, yeah, you gotta drive this kind of car and you gotta have this kind of money and high value my ass. You know how many married plumbers I know? You know how many rich plumbers I know? Fucking hype. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go because you guys know I can rant if I have to go there. I don't want to go there. I'm trying to stay positive. I want to talk about ideas, not people. So I'll keep it there. All right, bro. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and chop it, cut it off here. You guys take it easy. Enjoy your weekend. Go out there, have fun. Drink water. It's hot. You know what I'm saying? Watch your energy, your mental energy. Take care of your body. Eat good. Drink water, and watch your wealth, man. Make sure you know what you're doing with your money. Don't overspend. All right, Water. Don't go out there. No buy no $10,000 hotels. Don't be up in Trump Plaza if you ain't got it. If you got it, shit, invite me over, man. I'll watch the hotel room while you go out on your date. I'll be the security for your room. All right, hey, peace out, fellas, man. Thanks for coming through. Yeah, just watch for the pop up. We'll keep doing it, man. And I'm gonna try and not just talk stocks. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try and relate it to other parts of our lives that we all can relate to. All right, but until the next one, man. I appreciate you guys. Be safe out there. Don't get into no bullshit. Don't let no fool with nothing to lose bring you down into his zone. All right. Until the next one. Aloha.